my order from Amazon. It's been 3 days since I ordered it, so it has just arrived. It is my CompTIA A Plus Core 1 and Core 2 cram exam book. So join me as I open up this package and see what is inside. Okay. This is my book, as you can see. It has just been delivered. Exam cram CompTIA A Plus that I ordered a few days from Amazon. It has just got here, so this is the book. Yeah, I look forward to getting the insight from it, reading about it, and posting more about technology stuff on our page. So wish me the best as I go through this book as well, and also preparing for my A Plus CompTIA. Yes, it is right here. I'm so happy it's here. It's been 3 days now. As you can see, synchronizing to the cloud, synchronizing the desktop, enabling wireless functions, Wi-Fi antenna connector and placement, display types, some questions. Yeah, it has, it's from person, commitment to diversity, inclusion, equity, inclusion, CompTIA A1 and A2 core by David L. Prowess, exam cram. Okay, see you then as we go through this book together and as we learn more from this book and understand more about CompTIA A Plus 1 and 2. Thank you. Bye-bye.